Hi everyone, it's Dan Marrero, author of Mossy Rock Macho, and I'm here with my good friend Zuzana Zhetkowski. Zuzana and I go back just about 2 years, 3 years. I think her little sister and my little brother knew each other pretty well back in middle school though. And what are you doing these days?
I just filmed something that will be on CBS next month in March. So look out for that.
Primetime show?
Primetime show.
That's coming to an end, but we can't say the title of it, right?
Right.
Right, okay.
And one could see me on the Nick.
The Nick?
Cinemax.
Cinemax?
The first 2 seasons have aired, but Cinemax On Demand is hot. Well, I guess you can still see me on Gossip Girl.
Gossip Girl! Who were you on Gossip Girl?
I was Dorota.
Dorota.
Maid. And some people thought I was Gossip Girl, but it turned out I was not.
You were not Gossip Girl, but...
Spoiler alert, if you're watching it on Netflix.
Well, I have something very shocking for you. It is from 1996. Images. Snyder High School publication. And I don't know if you want to read it, or maybe I could read the first paragraph here.
Oh my God, what is that?
As I burn my buns off in the tanning bed every night, I get to thinking. I'm just going to stop right there because I don't want to embarrass you.
That's good. Can I see that afterwards?
Yes. So we're going to read some, the scene, and she's going to play the role of Happy, and I will be reading the part of Bertson. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. Here we go.
Tell me all about it. First, there was a big parade just as the sun came up. There was a marching band, some juggling clowns, men in funny hats, driving little cars, women in funny hats.
Were they driving little cars too?
No, they were on foot.
They were wearing them on their feet?
Yeah. And the whole parade marched just right up to the stage in the center of the town. Wow. Then the mayor walked to the microphone and announced the beginning of the Strongest Man in Mossy Rock contest. No. First, he introduced the sheriff.
What did he say?
He said, first, I introduced the sheriff.
That's it? That's a terrible introduction.
Yeah, well, get this. The sheriff wasn't even there.
He wasn't there?
Nope.
Where was he?
I don't know. But Mayor Sloshburn was trying to stall, and he said, first, I introduced the sheriff.
Again?
Yes. He said it once.
Wait, he said it once and then he said it a second time.
No, he said it once. I said it the second time.
Why'd you say it?
What, I thought you didn't hear me.
Well, of course I didn't hear you. I wasn't even there. I was here.
I meant just now.
Well, I'm still here.
So, Mayor Sloshburn said, first I introduced the sheriff.
3 times?
Okay, and then he said the sheriff's full name and he named some of the accomplishments, his height, his weight, etc. And when the sheriff still hadn't arrived, he began the whole introduction again. Only this time he spelled everything out.
That sounds awful.
The crowd was like getting restless, and so I guess the mayor decided to move on.
What did he weigh?
What?
What did Sheriff do while he weighed?
Oh my God. I don't remember.
Okay, that was great.
That's funny. Has he really spelled everything out?
Thank you so much for joining me, Zuzana, and helping me out with this project. She's looking at Images Magazine right now. It really, it's so much fun. Thank you.
Thank you. I can't not. underthinked it.
I underthinked it?
Yeah.
Really underthinked it.
I really
Harvard graduate, everybody.
That's what you learn at Harvard.